What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to set the display to a yellow or blue high contrast theme in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accessibility. Now in accessibility, click on VN enhancements, and then in VN enhancements click on high contrast theme. Now in high contrast theme you have three options: none, yellow or blue. So choose one display. So if you want to set your display to a blue high contrast theme, then tap on blue. And then tap on update. So right now it's downloading. So after the download is complete, tap on apply. So now you can see the theme is now changed to high contrast black and blue theme. So follow the same steps if you want to set your display to a yellow high contrast theme. So that's how you can set the display to a yellow or blue high contrast theme in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.